Hey guys, Blaine here again. Today I want to talk to you guys again about Plasti-Dip. What I'm going to talk to you today about is thin Plasti-Dip and how to remove it. When I dip my car, I dipped it white. And I'll show you right over here in the corner. I dipped the car white, matte white. And when I was doing it, I masked everything off properly except for one thing. And that was my tow hook in the rear because I was going to take it off anyways. And there's a little bit of Plasti-Dip on it, but it's not quite enough that you can rub it off and peel it off like it's like a normal panel. Like, see, it comes off in like little parts and that's it. So what I'm going to show you today is an easy way to take it off, and it takes no time at all. What I'm going to be using is a power washer. You can use this method for a lot of stuff to take off Plasti-Dip. You can use it on wheels, your body panels, for whatever the hell you want. But yeah, I found this to be a very easy and inexpensive way because you're just using water, and that doesn't cost much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook up the GoPro up to the wand of the power washer, and I'm going to show you how to take it off. It's a piece of cake.